Hello everyone, I Prerna Rustagi have already shared my surface design portfolio with you. And in today's video, I am going to tell you how you can make your print design portfolio. I am also going to share my one of the most complex and beautiful luxury print design process with you. Okay, I hope you guys are very much excited to see my print design portfolio. But before that, do subscribe my channel because I am going to tell you tips and tricks to make portfolio, how you can design well, how you can take more good better inspiration for your design process, and how you can work with different softwares to be updated. Okay, so let's start with my print design portfolio. The first process which I am going to show you is the mood board. Like, this is my collection name was Praja, and then I created the mood board. That is the first step. As I told you, the first step includes the inspiration, like from where you take the idea of making the print. See, I'm not saying like in the portfolio you should not include all the inspiration and whole process, but at least you should give 1 or 2 pages little introduction, like, the back of the scene. Why the back of the scene? Because nowadays companies are looking for more authenticity. They want to know like from where you have taken the inspiration, from ideas you have taken, because nowadays people have started copied the prints a lot. So because of that issue, you should always show the little back end process also. Little back end process considering 1 or 2 pages. Now here in the mood board, what I have actually shown is like from a cartoon book. It's a cartoon caricature book. I've taken the inspiration, like how I am going to make the caricatures and how I am going to convert this caricature into Indian aesthetics. Indian aesthetics means Varanasi Ghat, beach, Indian fool market, Indian aesthetics. Okay, the whole characters which I am going to make, it will be in the illustrations form. When I talk about illustrations form, it will be into more artistic form. How you make each and every illustration more artistically by making shading, or maybe you can do inspiration from Malgudi days or RK Lakshman. Okay, I have also put my color palette including this. So this is a complete brief mood board. If somebody will look this mood board, they will get a very good idea like what the artist or the designer want to show there in their print. Next is my basically yardage blueprint. Now what you will say, is this your print? No, this is not my print. What I did was, before making the print, I arranged some net images. I've taken some images from the net and arrange it into a complete yardage, because I don't know how many illustrations I need to make and where what I need to put. So before making that, I have done just a blueprint. You guys can do it manually with your hand drawn illustrations also. This is not necessary that you have to make it digitally. See, guys, this was actually very, very, very complex, because this took me more than, I would say, 48 hours to make this illustration, whole yardage planning. Because once you need to plan, you need to figure out where you want to show, with kind of stories, what kind of whole things you have to cover. So this is takes a lot of time, and I have created this without using AI. I have not used AI at all. Okay, so without, because at that time there was not chat gpt or Gemini when I created this print, so I did it manually on Photoshop and cropping whole images and putting it manually each and everything. So this really took a lot of time, and the file was also very, very heavy. After making this blueprint, I have got very much appreciated, and then I move forward with my each and every illustrations. So have a look to each and every illustrations. Like, I took the inspiration from Varanasi Ghat, so I made each and every illustration. Now you will say like, we don't want to do a human caricature kind of print. Even if you don't want to do a human caricature print, you wanted to do a floral print. But this is something very basics. You should always show the motives first, because you can't show the directly the print. The curiosity, you will reduce the curiosity of somebody to look the final print. So you should always show the motives, and then you can show your final product. Okay, now this is my Varanasi Ghat motifs. Each and every motifs is hand drawn. All the motifs I've done on Adobe Illustrator. Okay, like all the illustrations, like there was a, if you will see the yardage after the Varanasi Ghat, there is a beach. So I've also made the illustrations for the beach. So also make sure whenever you make your print design portfolio or any portfolio, your background should be white. When I say white is your focus, The whole complete focus should be on the work rather than the background. If I would have done a ombre effect in the background, would you think that this portfolio would have been so precise? No, because people want to see your work. So don't focus on the background much. See, since there were a lot of illustrations, as you have already seen in the blueprint, the second page also covered the lot of illustrations which I have made for the marketplace. For the marketplace, the bus, all these illustrations have been made by on illustration illustrator. Also, one thing, like it has taken more than 4 months to create this complete yardage. So are you guys excited to see the final product? Now, this is the final print. This is a repeat which I have created. This is a final print which I have created for my yardage. Guys, I'm not saying that you actually have to make so complex for to have a good opportunity in the company, because I am the person who is very much excited to try new stuff and created something extraordinary. So I made it. But you can also try with your floral motifs and your nature driven motives and a lot of your geometrics and traditional motives also. So you, in your own area, whatever is your own mood board, you can be creative by taking different inspiration and the style of art, right? So this is the one yardage I have created, and this is my second yardage. Like there are two prints which I created. Okay, so you can have a look to my second print also. If you really like the print, do like my video. Also subscribe it, because I have told you I am going to share you a lot of exciting projects which I have been doing in my studio. And so do subscribe my channel. I am also going to tell you a lot of techniques to make print more faster. Okay, also one thing guys, like I, after making this print, I get it printed on a lot of fabrics, a lot of fabrics for testing. I did it on velvet, I did it on hosiery, I did it on muslin, I did it on rayon, viscose, on different type of fabrics. I tried it, even I tried it on chiffon also. I tried it on brocade fabric also. So if you are interested to see like how come the final product look like, if you are really interested to see the photo shoot, I myself did the photo shoot also. I wore the garments and I clicked my own photographs, and that was also one of the creative part, because once your print is done, you get it your garment stitched, then the final thing is the output, because that is something which is going to give you, you know, the craziest part of the whole garment making process. Because garment is done, we did a lot of photo shoot. I, if you guys are interested, do comment down, I will share you like how the final output of this print design project really look like. So bye bye guys, take care.